Welcome to 7611 Charleston Street. The fantastic location and beautiful gated community is just another reason to love this immaculate 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. 1-level living, with split-bedroom floor plan, and a desirable southeastern rear exposure. Boasting many features, such as wood and tile flooring, crown molding, plantation shutters, a well-designed kitchen with granite tops, tall cabinets, natural gas cooking, pantry, and French door refrigerator. The owner's retreat offers dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. You will enjoy privacy relaxing on your oversized screened lanai and open brick paver patio beyond. Lots of foliage and beautiful flowers create curb appeal and a feeling of tranquility. From swimming pools, outdoor kitchens, playground, shaded areas, nature trails, and fitness center, there is something for everyone to enjoy at University Place. And the best of all, it is a short drive to everything from beaches, shopping, dining, golf, theater, museums, the airport, and more. Call today for a private showing.